Okay, we're going to explore Dolce and Gabbana, living in a Donna, chilling on a chilling, got my money on my ass. Dolce and Gabbana Beauty. So, Dolce and Gabbana Beauty is now here in the Philippines, and we're going to try some of their products. Product that nakita ko itong napakagandang palette nila. So, I'm gonna swatch this. Okay. This is a black shade. Oh my god. Gives me amazing. Ito yung parang color nila. Okay, wow. There's the MLB boots. Okay, the glitters is so good. And this one. Ayan, oh my god. Glitters. Hindi magkakaalaman sa glitters. Guys, sa glitters. As you can see. Grab, what the? The glitters, what the? Giving me vibe with this one. Bigyan mo ako ng vibe dito ah. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay. This one. Some shade. Grabe. Yung dark shade sila, grabe talaga. Nangiiwan talaga sa ere. And this is the shade that I love, this kind of color. So we're gonna try this on my eyes right now. Wow. We're gonna explore this color. Yun, natatakot ako gamitin na to. Okay. Ay! Wow. Dolce and Gabbana. Okay. 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 Tong palette na to pwede na. Tinalo nyo ang Prada Beauty, tinalo nyo ang Louis Vuitton Beauty sa palette na ito. Okay? Tinalo. Wow ha? Tinalo nyo ang Prada Beauty, tinalo nyo ang Louis Vuitton Beauty sa quality ng high-end na eyeshadow. Haven't tried the others. Go with the shimmers. Ang shimmers, panalo. Okay. This is a great everyday. Parang ito yung pang night look talaga. Let's try this talaga here. Giving me a champ with this one. Then, let's try putting glitters here. Guys, panalo na to si Dolce and Gabbana. Want my money on my ass. Let's try other shades here. Okay. I can use the pink. The pink one gives me a maze with the impressions. This one. I'm just gonna blend this one. Ang galing nga. Dolce and Gabbana. Then we're gonna put some glitters. Gusto yung presok glitters nila. Oh, very impressive. Wow. Ang ganda talaga. Tinalo niyo ang mga high-end na palette ni Prada, ni Louis Vuitton, Dolce and Gabbana. I love how they select the shades. Sana maglabas pa si Dolce and Gabbana ng other shades na kasi panalo nito. Oh my god! Try some of their products, which is this is the Luminizer eye pack. Luminizer pa lang, pinatong na ng glitters ni For You to guys. Ay, panalo to. Grabe, Dolce. Dolce, I'm impressed. Wow. Pinapili ko kung ano yung best two shades ng Dolce and Gabbana. Ito yung kanilang Audacity lipstick. So this is, ito yung Dolce and Gabbana red nila. Wait lang. Transfer proof siya, let's see. Ito yung kanilang reds. Ito yung kanilang nudes. Para siyang ano, ito yung ano nila. So let's try it first. In this color. Okay. Very comfortable to use siya. Pero let's see the reds. Iano natin siya. I-blur out natin siya, then let's go. Ay, grabe. Guys, mabilis siya mag-set ha. Itong Dolce.
10 seconds.
At saka sobrang intense ng pigment niya. Madali siyang mag-set, guys. Napansin ko dito sa mga lipis nila. Then, ito yung primer nila, guys. Primer? Wala siyang highlighter, guys. Okay. This primer is so pretty. Then, ito yung foundation nila. 24-hour air. Ayoko mag-try ng base dito, guys. Ito, ganito siya. Ayan yung packaging niya, oh. Wow. So, yan yung ang impression ko sa Dolce & Gabbana. Timming ganito. Dolce & Gabbana Beauty, okay. Panalo yung eyeshadow nila. Kung Battle of the Eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow na mga high-end, wala makakatalo kay Dolce, guys. Sa experience ko. Kasi, si Dolce kasi Si Dolce kasi, grabe yung yung color palette niya. Grabe. Si Prada Beauty may quads. Ganon yung quads. Pero may different siya. Ganon yung level niya is same goes sa level ni Louis Vuitton Beauty na na-try ko recently. Wow. Dolce & Gabbana. Yun, doon ako na-impress kay Dolce & Gabbana. Na-impress ako dito. Ito, ang tandaan nyo, ang logo ni Dolce & Gabbana, this heart. So, welcome to the Philippines, Dolce & Gabbana. Bye, guys.